Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are with Bulunmaz Micromotor, our great diamond tools, and in this video I will introduce you how to make a rainbow effect not with PCD tool but with a carbide tool. We normally use PCD tools to give a rainbow effect. The PCD tools are made by pressing the diamond dust and that gives the rainbow effect. But I would like to give you one tip today. You can also use carbide tools to get a rainbow effect. Just before the PCD tools came to jewelry market, we were already using carbide tools for rainbow effect. I cannot say that you can get exactly the same shiny rainbow color, but still you can see several colors on the jewelry made by carbide tools. I'm using Bulunmaz Micromotor. I can use it at the maximum speed, that's okay, and you will get the maximum shine. And I will start using my carbide tool just same movements as I am doing with the PCD tool. I will start with a bangle. Most important thing, you must move the product, not the tool like you are doing in the other designs. I'm moving by bangle left and right just below my tool and I am getting that shiny rainbow effect. I hope you can see on the camera, you can see several colors shining. It's a bit different than PCD tools, I know, not exactly the same quality, but still you can use carbide tools to get this effect. The biggest advantage of carbide tools, it has a low cost comparing to the PCD tools. So when you don't have much business to do or you don't need big quantity, you can have a try on PCD tools to have this low cost advantage. I covered my bangle with 2mm 140 degree carbide tool. Get a close look on this tool. You can see it's exactly on the form of a diamond tool, but instead of the diamond, we fixed a carbide here. It's a basic carbide, specially made for diamond cuts. And that carbide gives this still rainbow color closer to PCD tools. Now I would like to finish my model combining a diamond tool just between the carbide tool cuts. So when a shiny cut between them come here, it will look a nice contrast design. To combine with my carbide tool, I am using 2mm 150 degree. Head size 20mm. Hammerhead diamond tool, that's a medium size of my hammerhead tools. We have 15mm, 20mm as you see in the video, and we have also a bigger version 25mm. I'm using the middle one. I will lock in my micromotor, turn it 2 times to lock it. As my tool is a hammerhead tool and it's cutting a really wide degree, you don't need to run your machine in the maximum speed, but you can choose something between 30 to 40,000 RPM. Let me try with 40,000 RPM, that's pretty enough. More will be giving a balance effect, it will be annoying for you and maybe it can damage your machine. So let's go with 40,000 RPM and complete the combination with diamond and carbide tool. My bangle is completed. I covered all my bangles so you can see a finished jewelry product effect. All the sides of the bangles are same. There are carbide cuts with giving rainbow effects and then combined with a diamond tool. So with the combination of these two tools, you can see a finished jewelry effect. You can see the colors and the shine all together. I hope you like our bangle combining with carbide tool and hammerhead diamond tool. You can always play with different tools, combine different tools and get rainbow effect, background effect, a shiny effect. We have more than 300 different diamond tools, so just have a check at our website www.bulunmaz.com. You can see all the effects, different finishing, the videos, how they are working, the finished sample photos on the website, and now even you can order online. Thank you very much for your time for watching our video. If you like our videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel because we have more subscribers on YouTube. We can reach more audiences around the world, many jewelry manufacturers. So see you again in the next videos.